Hello, sir. I'm Michelle from the GOTS elevator. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, would you please tell us your name and where are you from?
I am Sheikh Sanuga from Bangladesh, Managing Director Doric Design and Development Limited, the renowned real estate company in Bangladesh.
May I know the name of your company, please?
Doric Design and Development Limited.
Okay. So this time you have already visited our GOTS elevator manufacturing plant and head office. Would you please share your opinion about the factory and the quality of the productions?
I am very impressed to see the factory and head office, well set up, well maintenance, well management, and well behavior. All staffs are good, very cooperative, and they are cooperate us very nicely.
Okay, and finally, we have already experienced our sample elevator. How do you feel?
Your manufacturing plant, I see top to bottom. I am impressed about it, and the lift is good quality. It's up and down is very smoothly, and floor level is too correct. I think it is 100% perfect for users security.
Yes, thank you very much. I hope we have a good feeling for business and for the long-term business.
Okay, thanks.